Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Kimberly-Clark is a Fortune 500 company within the household products. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 1.2%. Earnings growth, minus 2.20%. Earnings estimates, 8.22%. Return on capital, 27.27%. Debt to free cash flow, 6.21 years. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 3.95%. Payout ratio, 73.67%. Growth rate, 4.19%. Growth years, 49 years. That gives Kimberly-Clark 5 out of 10 points. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate Kimberly-Clark as a position for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Kimberly-Clark is modestly undervalued. Don't forget to subscribe and please come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.